Please follow the steps below to assemble the main unit. Place the CPU back to the CPU socket. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver to fasten the CPU lock. Attach the thermal module to the main board. Secure the thermal module with the 6 screws as shown. Connect the fan cable to the main board. Attach the daughter board to the main board. Secure the daughter board to the main board with the 2 screws as shown. Place the main board assembly back to the lower case. Secure the main board assembly to the lower case with the 2 screws. Connect the microphone and speaker cable to the main board on the bottom side. Insert the Bluetooth cable back to the lower case. Reconnect the Bluetooth cable to the main board. Connect the Bluetooth cable to the Bluetooth module, then attach the Bluetooth module back to the lower case. Attach the Bluetooth cable and arrange it well to the lower case. Connect the media button board FFC to the media button board, then attach the media button board to the upper case. Secure the media button board to the upper case with the 2 screws. Attach the uppercase assembly to the lowercase assembly. Secure the uppercase and the lowercase assembly with the 18 screws on the bottom side. Secure the uppercase and the lowercase assembly with the screw on the rear side. Then turn to the front. Secure the 3 screws as shown. Attach the ODD module back to the main unit. Secure the ODD module to the main unit with the screw as shown. Connect the media button board FFC to the main board. Reconnect the touchpad FFC to the main board as well. Attach the LCD module to the main unit. Secure the LCD module to the main unit with the 4 screws as shown. If your laptop has a CCD module, connect the CCD cable to the main board as shown. Connect the LCD cable back to the main board. Connect the lid switch cable to the main board. Arrange the wireless LAN antenna set to the upper case and insert the antenna set to the bottom as shown. Place the keyboard to the main unit. Connect the keyboard FFC to the main board. Attach the keyboard to the upper case as shown. Secure the keyboard to the main unit with the 2 screws. Attach the keyboard cover to the main unit. Then close the LCD module. Secure the keyboard cover with the 2 screws on the rear side. Connect the modem board cable to the modem board, then attach the modem board to the main board. Secure the modem board to the main board with the 2 screws as shown. Insert the wireless LAN card to the wireless LAN socket. Fasten the wireless LAN card to the main board with the 2 screws. Connect the main and the auxiliary wireless antennae to the wireless LAN card. Insert the memory modules to the memory sockets. Attach the RAM door to the main unit. Secure the RAM door with the 2 screws to the main unit. Attach the HDD module back to the main unit. Then, secure the HDD module with the screw as shown. Attach the HDD door back to the main unit. Fasten the HDD door with the 2 screws. Place the battery pack back to the notebook, then lock the battery. These are the main unit assembling procedures.